Hi, this is Christine. I'm back here today with our local HUD consultant, Gerald Stewart. And Gerald, I get a question a lot. Are you the GC for the client? When I send you out there, even though I know you're the HUD consultant, I'll get an email or a phone call from the client that they loved you and they'd like you to be their GC. So can you clarify, are you allowed to be the GC on a project when we send you out as the HUD consultant?
Yeah, I get that same question. Like you said, I am not allowed to be the general contractor. I'm there just to represent them as a HUD consultant. That would be a conflict of interest. So, our job is to protect the homeowner and be the eyes and ears for the lender.
Great. So to clarify, if anybody wants to use their HUD consultant as a GC, that is not allowed in the program. You will have to get your own GC and vet them, and there is a sign-up package required for all GCs who do renovation programs. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready, or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.